What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Renice Chantel and welcome. I want to thank Ninja Transfers for sending me their 10-foot gang sheet to try. I know it's going to be amazing, so yeah, I can't wait to try these out. Thank you so much for sending me transfers to try out. And if you guys want to scale your t-shirt business or your hat business, whatever you got going on, be sure to hit the affiliate link down below. I would greatly appreciate it, but you guys will want to click that link down below because these transfers are amazing. Like, what are you doing? Click that link down below. Be sure to check out Ninja Transfers, and thank you again, Ninja Transfers. Let's try out these transfers. Be sure to watch the whole video so you can see how well they press, test out the stretch quality, the pressing quality. I'm also going to test out what my images look like. I got a sneak peek. I got a small sneak peek, but yeah, let's check it out. Like I said, I did get a sneak peek, so I already kind of opened it already. I know it came with a sticker, and it comes with the, they have the Ninja Perma stickers. This is what you can like stick on cups or anything like that. Feel really good. So we got that. Got some instructions on how to use the Perma stickers. So, oh yeah, that's cool. Just use a carrier sheet, stick it right on, and then it's on there permanently. So we got that and the instructions for your DTF transfers. So we'll go over that once we start pressing. But Ninja Transfers is great. I honestly prefer DTF transfers. It can go on any color garment, tote bags, you name it, it goes on there. Like it says, t-shirts, apparel, hats, bags, aprons, jackets, koozies, etc. Works on all materials, colors, stretch levels, and more. So once we start pressing, I'll read this step by step and we'll get that going. They also give you some parchment paper. We all can use some extra parchment paper. So that's amazing, like 2 sheets. So I'll give that a try. And my transfers. Like I said, I got the 10-foot gang sheet. Oh my God, these look amazing already. Alright, so we're going to switch views real quick so you guys can see how long this is. Alright, you guys, so look how long that is. It's about as long as my room. So, I think I was able to fit, let me count out real quick. I was able to fit about 25 images, which is decent amount. You think of how much you sell your shirts for, you know, you'll easily make your profit back. So this is how long it is. So far, the quality of the back of it is really good. It's really thick. So let's turn this around so you guys can see what I got. All right, you guys, so here are the images. I got a couple of Thanksgiving images, Brothers logo. Ooh, this thing is long. Got that anti-social butterfly. Ooh, a Christmas image. You guys get the idea. These transfers came out really well. Really well. Whew. So yes, so the images so far off the top, they look amazing. They look top quality, not chipping, there's no whites showing through. So I also use their online gang sheet builder. I normally use Canva to upload my images just because I love Canva and I swear by Canva. I just wanted to try out their online gang sheet builder, which is super easy. It was, I almost like it better than Canva almost, because Canva doesn't go up to the size at like of a 10-foot. But yeah, maybe that'll be in the next video. I ordered on a Saturday. It got here on by that Wednesday. It was pretty quick shipping, very quick. But yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down below. If you have questions on how to place your order, be sure to hit me up. I will help you guys with no problem. So you guys ready to press these and see how these look? I think I'm gonna do 2 shirts for you guys, so let's get that started. All right, you guys, we are back. So I got my heat press heated up to 310. That is per the instructions. All right, so you want to put your heat press at 310 degrees and you want to press this for 15 seconds. So, but first off, we're gonna show you the images. I went ahead and cut out the thick thighs pumpkin pies. Look at those colors, y'all. That looks amazing. So we're gonna do this on a black shirt, 100% cotton. I cut out the antisocial butterfly. This is a great idea as well if you don't want to always weed, because I know our weeding girlies love to weed, but sometimes we need a break, and that's why you get DTF transfers. So I got the antisocial butterfly. That's gonna go on a white shirt. Number 1 on the instructions, they said no need to pre-press or pre-iron. Removing moisture is unnecessary. Only do a pre-press if you desire. That's dope. And I'm gonna do just that. I'm not gonna pre-press, just to see how it comes out. So we're gonna start off with the antisocial butterfly. I got my white shirt here. Not gonna pre-press. I am gonna lint roll though. It's gonna be weird because I'm so used to pre-pressing. So, they said it is unnecessary, y'all. And then we're gonna go to number 2, is position your design. Take your time to line up your transfer. So, let's do that. I'm gonna line it up. I'm gonna use my t-shirt ruler. Center that baby good. All right. Looks good to me. Now I've done over 100 shirts, maybe more. So I got a good eye on where the image should go. So I always sometimes don't use this. So that looks good. So we position our design. Next is to press. Pressure transfer with medium pressure, 310 degrees, 15 seconds. You cannot damage the transfer by pressing with more heat, pressure, or time within reason. However, too much heat can damage your garment. So, let's go ahead and press this for 15 seconds, medium pressure. Grab our Teflon sheet. I know it came with parchment paper, but I like Teflon, so I'm going to use my Teflon. Medium pressure, 15 seconds. All right, so we pressed it and it said to let it cool, then peel it. So we're gonna wait about 15 or 30 seconds and then peel it. So while that's cooling down, we'll move on to our next shirt. We got our black shirt here. Let's go ahead and press that. I'm gonna go ahead and lint roll it a little bit. Go ahead and measure and position your image. Looks good. Remember, no pre-press. I did not pre-press at all. I want to see how it's going to look without doing that. All right. Got the thick thighs and pumpkin pies down. Are you guys ready for Thanksgiving? Let me know down in the comments, what are you making this Thanksgiving? Are you cooking? Is your mom cooking? Let me know. All right, so we're gonna peel off our first one. It's cool to the touch. So let's go ahead and peel it together. Wow. Peeled just like butter. Look at that. That looks amazing. All right, and on to our next image. It's cool to the touch. Let's go ahead and peel it. Like butter. Just like butter. Look at those colors, y'all. That looks good. All right, and step number 4 here, number 5. Place the parchment paper or Teflon over the design. You want to press it for 15 more seconds. Just so we can get this all into the garment. So we're gonna press this for 15 more seconds. They weren't lying about the pre-press being unnecessary. It kind of is. Alright, we got this one done. Whoo-wee, that looks clean. That looks, oh man, it's like, wow, that's really nice. So we're gonna put this to the side and work on our next one. "15 seconds. Ooh, y'all see that? That looks so good. All right, so now we're done with the heat press. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off. Gotta save that electricity bill. Look at that, you guys. It's nice and light. We can go ahead and do a stretch test. See how well it stretches. So we have this done. We're gonna go ahead and stretch. Still intact. And I gave it a good stretch. Like I bust a sweat. And it's still intact. Antisocial butterfly. I'm gonna do a stretch. Really good. Still intact. I might wear this to work tomorrow. Looks so good, you guys. And it's like really soft. Like I've ordered many transfers from many different vendors, and this has to be the smoothest, kind of almost in the garment like I've ever felt. Like you don't feel the outline of it. It's like it's ink, but it's not ink, it's a transfer. Same with this one. It's like in the shirt. So amazing. All right, you guys, you know I had to try this on. This looks so good. I'm definitely gonna wear this on Thanksgiving. But that will be it for today's video. I want to thank you, Ninja Transfers, again for sending me some transfers to try. I love them. I'm definitely going to use this within my business and to scale it. And you guys probably gonna get tired of me. So thanks again, Ninja Transfers. And if you guys want to try them out, which I highly recommend, be sure to hit the link down below. Get you some transfers. They got patches, they have everything. If you make cups, they have anything you need. Check them out. Until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because I am one of a kind.